Okay, today, guys, we are going to start work in our Spire workbooks. So you need to pull out your workbook and you need to open up to page 1. We're going to be working on page 1 and 2 for today's word work. All right, so you're also going to need to grab a pencil and let's begin. At the top, we have a word bank. So we need to read the words and then we need to put them with the appropriate picture. So we're going to go ahead and start at the top. The first word here is sad, S-A-D, sad, sad, sad. So if we look at these pictures, we can see that this girl here is sad. So we're going to take the letters from the word bank and we're going to write them here, sad. And then I'm done with this word. Okay. The next word I read, nap, nap, nap. So if I look at the pictures, I can see that this person appears to be taking a nap in the woods. Strange place to take a nap, but I guess if you're tired, you'll take a nap anywhere, right? All right. Next we have this word, ask. Ask, ask. If we look at the photos, we can see this girl has her hand up in the air. What a good student. She is ask, A-S-K, ask. Okay. Next we have the word lab, lab, L-A-B, lab. So down here is where I need to write the word lab. L-A-B. That word's used. Okay. Next word, H-A-M. Let's sound it out. Ham. Here is my picture of ham. I do not like ham. A lot of people do. I do not. Yuck. Ham. H-A-M. Okay. The next word I see is a sight word. This is a memory word, A-N-D. It is not an object, so it's not going to go with any of our pictures. And, all right, let's go down to the next one, which is mad, mad. Here's the mad girl. Mad, mad girl. M-A-D, mad. The next word is ram, ram. Here is our picture of the ram. So I write the letters R-A-M, and that is done. And then I have P-A-N, pan. My pan is right here. Remember my P, the tail hangs down, the bubble sits on the line. A-N, pan. All lowercase letters. Not writing a sentence, nobody's name, so we need to have lowercase letters, okay? The last word is jam. And if I look at the label on this, I can see it's the same word, G-J-A-M, jam. So a J, an A, and an M. And that's all I need to do for page 1. I've just put the words with the picture, okay? Let's turn to the next page in our workbook. This is page 2. You should have a page 2 at the bottom. And we're going to complete some sentences together. So the name of this little text is called P-A-M-S, Pam's B-A-G, bag, Pam's bag. So down here at the bottom, we have the words that we can choose, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4 sentences. We're going to read the sentences and pick the word that goes best. So Pam has well, what does she have? We know she has a bag. So let's go down here. Is this word bag? Rags. Nope. Tag. Bag. There's the word bag. So that's the word I want. Pam has a bag. B-A-G. Now, I've used that word. I'm going to cross it off. The, or the, here's that word again, bag is, the bag is, let's see, is it ags? Is it rags? No, that doesn't make sense. Is it ag? Is it tag? That doesn't make sense. The bag is tag? No. I only have one other word, so here's the last choice. Fat. Is the bag fat? Yes, you can see she has to hold it with both arms, so that's the word I want to use, fat. The bag is fat. F-A-T. Fat. Okay, that word's used. Here we go. Memory word again. The bag has a rags or tag, which makes more sense. The bag has a tag. Plus, they've used the article a, which means it can only be one item. So I'm not going to use a plural word. I'm going to use tag. And then finally, I only have one option left. I have rags. So let's read this. The bag has rags. Does the bag have rags? It looks like it's full of rags. So that is correct. R-A-G-S. So bag, tag, rag, all rhyme. They all end in the AG. Okay? I don't need to add a period because they already put the period at the end of my sentences. That's all you need to do for today, so good work.